Hi again, everyone. Today I will be giving you 5 reasons that are going to make you want to become a web developer. I dare you to listen to all 5 of them and subscribe to my channel for more web development information. So let's get started. Reason number 1, money. Money is one of the key factors that will want to make you become a web developer this year. You can make $100,000 a year in this field, and that is if you work for a company. However, if you want to become a freelancer, and let's say that you work per project, then you can earn much more money. And sky is the limit if you even decide to build a company with this knowledge. You can even become a millionaire. So whichever path you choose in the web development field is going to guide you to make good money. Reason number 2, freedom to travel. You can work in any place at any time. And if one of your dreams in this life is to travel around the world, as a web developer, you will definitely be able to achieve this. As a freelancer, you can work from any place in the world at any time. And this is just with a laptop and Wi-Fi. Now, if you get hired in a company, some companies are flexible enough to allow you to work from home or simply virtually. And as long as you deliver, they will be happy. Just make sure that you do research the right company to work for. And well, as a business person, if you get into the web development field, you can also run your business and travel. It is super easy, especially when you are a web developer, because everything is being run through the World Wide Web. Reason number 3, creativity. You can be the next Mark Zuckerberg here. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, if you have a creative mind and your thing is to solve problems where there is no solution yet, this is the right path to choose. By becoming a web developer, you will have the right tools, the right knowledge to solve any type of problem or to create any crazy idea and make it a reality by simply coding it. So you can create the next $1 billion idea. You can create the next Amazon. You can create the next Google. You can create the next Airbnb. You name it. Reason number 4, high demand. It's a rising profession. Many companies nowadays need a web developer. Whether you focus on JavaScript, React, MySQL, or any other, there is a high demand out there in the market nowadays for people that is whether trying to build websites or develop websites that has been built already and they simply want to optimize them. This is a profession which is not going to end anytime sooner, but rather is going to increase the demand from year to year. Let's just face it, we are living now in a digital uprising market. Reason number 5, you don't need a degree. That's right, a lot of tutorials out there are being created right now at super affordable prices and even free in most cases. So when you're looking for a job, most employers nowadays don't really care if you have a degree or if you don't have a degree, as long as you can demonstrate that you truly know how to do the job. Now, if you are looking to become a freelancer, it's the same. As long as you build a really great portfolio, clients will be coming to you every time. So you don't need to invest 5, 7, or 10 years studying. If you dedicate yourself truly to this, you can easily learn web development in 6 months, or even earlier if you are super focused on this. Thank you for making it to the end of the video. I hope the reasons I mentioned earlier are allowing you now to take the decision to move on your web development journey. I have also created a quick guide for you that is going to help you to learn how to become a web developer. So I'm going to leave the link of that video in the description below. Also, if this video was useful for you, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, because I will be uploading videos every week with more web development information for you to help you out in your web development journey. So if you have any doubts, don't forget to always leave me your questions in the comment sections below, because I will be checking them and I will be replying as soon as I can. And also remember that you can always ask Lixie. Bye everyone, see you in the next episode.